Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into the innovative use of drones to explore one of the most crucial resources on Mars, water. As humanity sets its sights on the red planet, the ability to locate hidden ice beneath its surface becomes increasingly important. Researchers at the University of Arizona have been exploring how drones equipped with ground-penetrating radar can precisely map the buried ice on Mars. This cutting-edge technique has already been successfully tested on glaciers in Alaska and Wyoming, which resemble the icy deposits expected on Mars. The significance of this technology lies in its ability to determine the thickness and depth of ice layers. This makes it easier for scientists to identify the best drilling sites for water. Drones offer a promising solution to bridge the gap between orbital surveys and on-the-ground exploration. While current satellites can spot locations with ice, they struggle to provide detailed information. Drones, on the other hand, can fly at low altitudes and deliver precise details about the ice and its layers. This approach allows for meticulous analysis of sites before drilling begins, reducing risks and increasing the effectiveness of future missions. This study opens the door to using drones for Mars exploration, offering invaluable insights into where ice water is located, a critical resource for sustaining life on the planet. Ice water could be more than just a potential drinking source, it could also be used to produce oxygen and support agriculture, making it essential for sustaining human life in space. This research highlights the potential of drones as a vital tool in Mars exploration. With this technology, scientists can gather accurate information before drilling, boosting the success rate of future missions. Drones aren't replacing current systems but complementing them, enhancing the effectiveness of space exploration and paving the way for astonishing discoveries. Subscribe to Science Hub for more exciting science content.